Hi, I'm Bridget Gore,
And I'm Gore, and we live in the city of Cortland.
and we went to turn our heater on this year, and come to find out it's 30 years old and there are no longer parts available. And we panicked and we called Snug Planet to come and do an assessment. And they did an air test, and they realized that we did not have any insulation in our attic. So we were on their list to upgrade. Then they came and they did a walk around. We checked everything out, and we decided to go with the on-demand boiler system. And so since then, and it's been one of the coldest Februarys ever, we have used 60% less gas in our NYSEG bill, which we are thrilled with. And our house is warmer, it's quiet, it's cozy. And it's just, I think it's the best decision we made. We're not going to have replacing this. We're leaving less carbon footprints on the planet as much as we can do. And thanks to the Finger Lakes Climate Fund, this was helped us to finish financing the rest of this project. And we look forward to working with Snug Planet again in the future if we need to, and we recommend them highly to anyone else that needs to upgrade their systems.